Hey everybody, it's Phineas back with another video. Welcome back to the channel. Alright, so today, this can be a short video today. We're going to talk about my grocery haul. You can kind of see some of it. Ooh, got some good deals. And then we'll talk about, if you guys saw my yard sale video, where I found a couple cool things at a yard sale, but one of them was a project. I'll show you that the project finished. We'll go over that real quick. It was kind of fun. At the end of the day, it wasn't super frugal, but it was still kind of fun to do the project. All right, so then, and we'll talk about my first bad YouTube comments. I got two of them on the same video. So we'll talk about that too. Let's get started. Let's go over the haul first. Okay, these, I thought this was a good deal. Smithfield ham, 1 pound. You see where it says pick 5 for 25, but this was on, move my hand, $2.99. So for a pound of ham, Smithfield ham, $2.99. So I bought 6 of those because you can freeze this stuff, and I love the ham sandwiches, ham sliders. I make these cool ham sliders. You use the what do you call those rolls? Oh, King's Hawaiian rolls. But I use the Walmart version of that, and you can make some killer sliders. I'm gonna make a video on those sliders one of these days because it's so good, and it's kind of cheap to make too. So I got 5 of those. This is from a store called Apple Market. I don't know if you guys have that. I don't go there a lot, but since I found these deals, I might stop by there more. It's right by my house. It's one of those stores where if it's not on sale, then it's too expensive. I got this too. This is like $7 down to $2.49. Manager specials. I just bought one to try it out. In the freezer, you know. And then Apple Market too. We got the ballpark beef. These are 99 cents. So I bought 7 of them. That's a deal. I haven't had hot dogs in forever. Is because man, my head is. I haven't had hot dogs in forever because they're just too expensive. These are like $5, $6 usually. So I don't really buy hot dogs that much. But for 99 cents and you can freeze them, yeah, I bought 7 of them. So that's from Apple Market too. Then I went to Aldi today. So I don't have an Aldi in my town, but I was in the town Aldi's in. So I figured while I'm there, let me stop by. And I love Aldi bread. This bread's super good. $1.25. I always keep like 10 of these in my freezer at all times because I don't go to Aldi a lot because it's a little farther. So I bought 6 more loaves of these today. $1.25. I bought some stuffing at Aldi. 89 cents. So I bought 4 of these. 2 for Thanksgiving, 2 for Christmas. I like stuffing with some mashed potatoes and some gravy. Ooh. And then I bought this can kind of go with the hot dogs, just 1 can of baked beans. I haven't had baked beans in years, and I'm just kind of wanting some. $1.89. I don't know if that's good because I don't buy baked beans a lot. But that's what I got at Aldi. And so you have a whole meal here with the hot dogs and the bread and some baked beans. There's a meal. There's a couple meals right there. All right. So then, what else we got? Oh, let's talk about the bad comments, and then I'll take you outside to show you the garage sale project. All right. So I got 2 bad comments. It was on the Amazon Prime video. I told you people take the Amazon Prime serious. They got mad at that video, and that video it was just saying this is a frugal channel. I share with you guys my frugal ideas. You guys share your ideas in the comments with me, and we just learn from each other. It's not that serious. It's just a fun challenge to be frugal, help each other out. And all the Amazon Prime video was saying is, the research I did, a lot of people have Prime just for free shipping. I know there's other benefits to Prime, right? Those benefits they don't benefit me, so I'm basically concerned with the free shipping. But and I was saying you don't have to do that for free shipping. You saw the video. So these guys did not like that. So one comment says, and watch where it goes. He says, "Well, I love Amazon Prime movies. They are awesome. You must be a Biden supporter." Joe Biden, our president, supporter. I don't know how those two intersect. I have no clue. There's one comment. And then the second bad one, it was a little harsher. He says, I usually don't leave bad comments on YouTube videos, and I hope whatever you're going through, you get through it. And I hope you find something you're good at because You sure are not good at making these videos. Good luck. People take Amazon Prime very seriously. So look, I'm a small channel. That's the first bad comments I got. It's kind of exciting. Did it a little bit, I'm human, but I get it. And some of these big channels, I don't know how they do it because they get tons of negative comments. So I get my measly 2 comments, but it's my first, kind of exciting. Okay, but all right. So anyway, those are the 2 comments on my Amazon Prime video. People were defending Amazon. I wasn't against Amazon. I actually like Amazon as a company. I just don't. I think the Prime is kind of a waste of money, unless you like all the other benefits. That one guy likes the movies. I guess I don't watch a lot of movies. All right, so there's that. Now I'm gonna take you outside. I'll show you the project I did. Okay, let's start here first. Hold on. I'll show you how it started. Have it on my. See, I wish I can edit and I can insert picture. I don't know how to do that yet. So this is how the garage sale project started. This is actually in the trunk of my car, but it's just look. You can see it's a bench frame. You kind of see it was $5 for that bench frame, one at each end, and you put wood and build a bench out of it. So I figured, as you guys know, I'm not handy. But I figured maybe I could do that, right? Add some wood, paint it up, make a nice little bench for the garden. So I'll show you how it turned out. Don't look too closely, because All right, guys. Here's the bench I made. Let's see what you guys think. Those are the frames and the sides. So there's the bench. That's the bench. It is very sturdy. All right. It's hey, lower. It's very sturdy. I mean, this thing's heavy. I use like pressure treated wood because it's going to be out in the weather. I'm going to put it in the garden. And then I use oil paint. So the frame, the 2 sides, which you saw a picture of a minute ago, was $5, right? So that's not bad, right? But the rest of the bench was not frugal. Okay, I'm in this thing about $80 now. The wood was expensive. The bolt, I even bought black bolts instead of using regular bolts, just so black and white bench. I don't know, but it's super sturdy. I like it. It was kind of fun building it. Not frugal. At the end of the day, it was still a lot of fun. And it's starting to get fall weather here in Missouri, so I did it last weekend, so it's kind of fun being out here just building something. And thank you guys for watching. We'll see you guys on the next one.